Hey there, PyQuick viewers. Today, we're diving into a fun and engaging Python problem that's all about counting vowels in a string. But before we jump into the code, let's talk about vowels. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. They're like the vocal stars of the alphabet, bringing music to our words. Now let's understand how this code works. We have a function called countVowels that takes a string as input and counts the number of vowels in that string. First, we define a variable vowels containing all the vowels in both lowercase and uppercase. Then, we use a cool Python trick called a generator expression inside the sum function. This expression loops through each character in the input string and checks if it's a vowel. If it is, it counts it as 1. For example, let's count the vowels in the phrase "Hello World" together. We have E, O from hello, and O from world. And there you have it, counting vowels in a string made simple and fun with Python. I hope you enjoyed this PyQuick tutorial. Remember, Python is not just a programming language, it's a creative tool that can bring a touch of magic to your projects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PyQuick for more fun and engaging Python tutorials.